Hey guys, just want to do a quick update for you. Still waiting on the metal work from the membrane trap, so that's still hanging out. But I did a lot of work on the front wall here. These are all broadband traps. This particular panel is out because I'm going to run all my tie lines down to there, and I want to do that before I put the waveguides in. So just a quick rundown on these, and I'm going to do a full tutorial on these specifically, but basically this is just 8 inches deep, and then there's a 1-inch layer of rigid fiberglass here, and then these are just pieces of plywood that are designed to they call them waveguides or diffraction guides. So took quite a bit of time, obviously, to put all this together. But I wanted to do a quick update for you on that. Also, I started doing the low voltage and high voltage stuff, and that's pretty much what I'm going to focus on over the next week or two as I wait for the membrane, the metal to come back for the membrane traps. I'm going to run my light switches over here, which will go up into the ceiling. I don't want to make you guys sick by running this around too much, but I'm going to do some AC stuff and some line stuff as well that's going to kind of go throughout the room. I want to do back here, I want to do some inputs, and some of this stuff is coming from another room as well. And then this over here is where I'll have another input for my microphone stuff. So that's about where I'm at. I started putting some insulation in the membrane traps to make myself not depressed and look at some type of progress, but basically this is going to just get covered by some fabric, and then the membrane goes on top of that. So that's about it. A lot of work, but nothing too exciting. I'll do some updates as I go through the electric stuff and some of that. Also, I'm going to do, and I ended up I'm going to do tiles in the ceiling instead of fabric. So I'm going to lose 3 inches on my ceiling, but I think that's just going to be the best solution in this case. I have some things like that. This is the gas line, and it goes underneath the joist, so it would just be weird with fabric, and I may run some of the AC lines underneath the joist as well. We'll see when I get there. But thanks for hanging in there, and if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them at the bottom there, and I'll answer them best I can. Also, I do quite a few updates on my Facebook page that don't go out in the form of video here. So I'll post some pictures along there, and some people ask some questions that you guys might find helpful. So head over to my Facebook page. It's linked. I'll link it below anyway, and check it out. You give it a like if you feel like it, and I'll catch you guys later. See ya.